Well, here's Candy Cat. She's like making biscuits on the bed this morning. She decided to make us some biscuits for breakfast. She's feeling all snuggly wuggly, having coffee in bed. And Candy Cat is all snuggly wuggly and she's feeling like making biscuits. She's so cute. Once in a while she's cute. The rest of the time she's a holy terror. She'd just as soon bite me as look at me. Okay, guys. Bye. Oh, look, she's going to be nice to me. She's actually going to snuggle up with me. Can't believe it. Look at that. Snuggling up next to her mommy. Huh.